So first thing we're going to do is talk about rearranging formulas. And don't judge my spelling because I know I can't do it well. We're going to start with an introduction, which is this video. So rearranging is reordering. Right now we have x plus y equals 7. Rearranging, let's say solve for x. That means I want it to say x equals and then all the other stuff. When I look here, I know if I want it to say x equals, I need to move my y. And we move with subtraction and we end up with x equals 7 minus y. We could do the same thing and say solve for y. And we'll use the same problem, x plus y equals 7. Now this time I want it to say y equals blah. So we move it by subtracting x on both sides. And we end up with y equals 7 minus x. Hopefully that's pretty easy for you. So let's move on to something a little bit more difficult. Let's do 2x plus y, we'll go 4y equals 16. And we will solve for x again, which means we want it to say x equals and then all the other stuff. When I look at that, I know I want x by itself. So I need to kick 4y to the other side. So we'll subtract it. And we end up with 2x equals 16 minus 4y. And then I need to get rid of that 2, and we move it with division. So we divide 2 everywhere, and we end up with x equals 16 divided by 2 gives me 8. 4 divided by 2 gives me 2y. We'll do another one of those. Let's go with 3x minus 9y equals 36. Can we do 36? We'll leave it like that. Let's see how well this works. And I want to solve for y this time, which means it'll say y equals some stuff. First thing I know, I want to get y by itself, meaning I'm going to move my addition and subtraction away. This is plus 3y, or 3x, so I'm going to minus 3x. That cancels. I'm left with negative 9y equals 36 minus 3x. Now I need to get rid of that 9 and the negative, so I divide by negative 9. My 9's cancel. Over here, my negatives cancel. Y equals, what is 36 divided by 9? 36 divided by 9 gives us 4, does it not? And it is negative, so we get negative 4. We said this became a positive. What is 3 divided by 9? That's going to reduce to 1/3 x. Now we'll go with an actual equation, or not an equation, but a formula. And we'll start with an easy one, y equals mx plus b. Now let's say I wanted to solve for b. So it'll say b equals blah. All I need to do is take my mx and move it to the other side. And we move it with subtraction because this is positive. And I'm left with b equals y minus mx. If we wanted to do it a little bit more difficult, we can take that same problem, y equals mx plus b. And this time, let's solve for x. First thing I want to do is move that b to the other side. We want everything away from our m and our x. I'm left with y minus b equals mx. And now we're solving for x, which means I have x equals blah. And how do I move that m? I move it with division because they are multiplied together. And I get given x equals y minus b all divided by m.